Meerut Police found that more than 13,500 mobile phones are running with the same IMEI number in the country. Meerut Police uncovered a security breach where more than 13,500 phones manufactured by Vivo were found to be running on the same international mobile equipment identity number. The IMEI number is a 15-digit code that is unique to every smartphone. In 2017, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India issued a notification stating that all smartphones would have a unique IMEI number, failure to which in the form of manipulation or tampering could lead to a 3-year jail. According to a report by PTI, the Meerut Police has filed a case against the Chinese manufacturer and its service center. The lapse reportedly came to light when a sub-inspector gave his mobile phone to the staff at cybercrime cell for examination, as the phone was not working properly despite being repaired at a Vivo service center in Meerut. The cyber cell found that the IMEI number of the device is different than the one printed on the box. We've contacted Vivo India about the whole controversy but have yet to hear back as of this writing. As per a report by Live Hindustan, on January 16, 2020, the service center manager said that the IMEI number had not been changed. The cyber cell then forwarded the IMEI number to the SIM operator used in the handset and asked for the relevant data. Also read soon track your stolen mobile phone Gov ready to roll out IMEI database. The telecom operator informed that as of September 24, 2019, the same IMEI number has been running on 13,557 mobile phones in different states of the country. The Meerut Police reportedly handed a notice to Vivo India's nodal officer Harmanjit Singh under Section 921 of the CRPC.